Well, we're welding on the north side of the building now, and we have to take special precautions over here because the roof is exposed. You can see the roof has this vapor barrier, water barrier. It's over the top of the foam. They haven't laid down the metal roofing like over here. All this metal roofing, this blue stuff, that's going to be on here. So we're taking extra precautions. We've got fire blankets underneath the fire blankets. We've got another barrier fire blankets, and then I have wood. I also have a catch can right here so that absolutely nothing gets on this roof. All the sparks will be contained from welding right here. And then anything that does get by it will just land here safely on the fire blanket. Whew.